The River Thames, known as the River Isis, is a river that flows through southern England, including London. In 43 AD, the Romans invaded England, landing at and sailing up the River Thames. River Thames is one of the cleanest rivers in the world that flows through a major city. It is the longest river in England and provides 2/3 of London's drinking water. It is also crossed by over 200 bridges. River Thames is London's most famous waterway, stretching 215 miles. This illustrious river has not only been a source of trade and support, but also one of beauty and inspiration. London's River Thames is home to the Tower Bridge and Thames Barrier.